The Maid of the Loch was assembled at A J Inglis before being dismantled again for transport to Balloch slipway, where it was reassembled and launched on Thursday the 5th of March 1953. It was licensed to carry up to 1,000 passengers and did so for 28 years, hosting royal guests and celebrities as well as 3 million tourists and visitors. Due to the appeal of foreign holidays, visitor numbers to the Maid of the Loch dwindled from the late 60s up until 1981, when it was decommissioned, neglected and in bad need of repair. However, the paddle steamer was purchased by Dumbarton District Council in 1992 and then rescued by volunteers at the Loch Lomond Steamship Company, who began a long and determined battle to restore the vessel to its former sailing glory. Although £2 million has been raised to date, a further £4 million is required to get the vessel sailing on Loch Lomond once again. After a failed attempt to remove the Maid of the Loch from the water on the 10th of January 2019 due to the winch system breaking, work has been ongoing for a second attempt so that the vessel can receive essential repair work. Today is the day. Wednesday the 14th of July 2021. So here we are at the Maid of the Loch, and they're just about to, I think, move the boat so that they can take it in line with the pier that they're going to pull it onto to do the repairs. So keep your fingers crossed, everything goes to plan. So there we have a successful operation this time round. That's the Maid of the Loch on the slipway, ready for its repairs, and hopefully we look forward to seeing all that. And I'm joined here by Connor as well, who's been watching the whole thing. So how did you find that, Connor?
Quite good.
Quite good. It was quite a slow process, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Very enjoyable and very hard work got put into it.
It did indeed, but we got there, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was great to watch. So there we have it, the Maid of the Loch in the background, all ready to go, and we look forward to seeing the renovations as well.
Yeah.
So back to the studio.